So the problem's upstairs.
Kalen Stieferman is rarely quiet. For the owner of a wood flooring company, talking to customers and contractors is all part of the job.
It's really educating customers as to what's going to happen. I'll take a sander and sand that initial edge.
But business became more difficult about 2.5 years ago.
As soon as I would talk, people would back up, and I'd have to say, I'm not sick, because that's what it sounded like.
Thyroid surgery had damaged a nerve. It's a known complication that left him sounding like this.
My name is Kalen Stieferman. I'm here because my voice doesn't work.
At University of Missouri Healthcare, Dr. Mark Gilbert recognized the problem. One of Kalen's vocal folds was not moving.
One vocal fold has to come next to the other, and they have to touch, and they just barely touch and vibrate against each other, and that generates sound.
As the only fellowship-trained laryngologist in mid-Missouri, Dr. Gilbert was able to carve a small implant that pushes the vocal fold over. Kalen was awake during surgery and talking to help Dr. Gilbert make the right adjustments.
We got to one location, and all of a sudden there was this booming bass voice that he hadn't heard in 2 years.
Rainbow is a division of white light
Into many beautiful colors.
Kalen soon returned to selling floors, but he says the surgery meant much more than that,
I told him, I said, you saved my life.
allowing him to communicate and connect.
Cool, we're set.
From the University of Missouri, I'm Teresa Snow.